Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. Today we're talking about reinstalling your deck trim, especially the F-channel type. When I say F-channel, I'm referring to this style where my plywood and flooring have to fit between these two pieces of aluminum. When we're doing this, especially with vinyl, we want to make sure we approach it the right way so we don't bunch up or ruin the vinyl. This, we're wrapping up a small raft project, and it is carpet. It's a 20 weight carpet. If you watch down here, I'm going to always line up my sides. I'm going to start with the bottom part of the F, and then I can just tap it in, work my way along. And that way, I don't peel any of my vinyl or carpet. I don't push it. With a rubber mallet, this deck trim was held down by stainless screws, so we're going to reinsert stainless screws in each hole. It's a whole lot of them. The other way you might see it done is actually a screw from the bottom side in this piece of F-channel that's going to hold it in place. Just depends on your boat and how it was done. I always make sure that I do this last after my floor has cured up, my glue is stuck, and that's where stapling the edges helps too, to hold everything down. These corners should always be covered with a corner cap. So we'll put a washer and a stainless bolt through here. That will hold everything in place and tidy everything up to finish it off. Hope this helps.